Most people think hybrids mean slow and boring. This Jeep just demolished that idea in 5.3 seconds. The 2025 Grand Cherokee 4xe doesn't just break the hybrid stereotype, it rewrites what a plug-in SUV can actually do. Here's what nobody tells you. This is the quickest Grand Cherokee you can buy. Not the V8, not the V6, the hybrid. 375 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque. All of it available the second you touch the pedal. That's what happens when you bolt electric motors to a turbo engine and tell physics to take notes. 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds flat. That's BMW X5 territory. From a Jeep. With a plug. But here's where it gets interesting. You can drive this thing 25 miles on pure electricity. Silent, smooth, zero gas. Then when the battery runs out, it switches to hybrid mode and keeps going for another 445 miles. Total range, 470 miles. On one tank and one charge. That electric motor doesn't just save fuel, it transforms how this SUV moves. Instant torque from a dead stop. No turbo lag, no waiting. You punch it and the Grand Cherokee lunges forward like something shoved it from behind. Inside, it's pure luxury. Quilted Napa leather, Macintosh audio with 19 speakers, massaging seats, two 10.1-inch screens, wireless Apple CarPlay, night vision. This is the Grand Cherokee Summit territory, where Jeep takes shots at Range Rover pricing without the Range Rover repair bills. Most hybrids feel like they're conserving energy. This one feels like it's hunting for corners. And the weirdest part? It can ford 2 feet of water without frying the battery. Jeep waterproofed the entire hybrid system, reinforced the underbody, made it trail-rated. You can take this plug-in hybrid rock crawling. The Trailhawk trim comes with front sway bar disconnect, electronic locking rear diff, and all-terrain tires. It has a 35.7-degree approach angle. Best in class. This isn't a hybrid that happens to be a Jeep. It's a Jeep that happens to save gas. The catch? You need to actually plug it in. If you don't charge regularly, you're hauling around a dead 17.3 kilowatt-hour battery and getting 23 miles per gallon. That's barely better than the standard V6. But if you do plug in, 56 mpge combined. Lowest fuel costs of any Grand Cherokee ever built. Level 2 charger fills it in 3 hours. You wake up with a full battery and 25 miles of free driving. For daily commutes under 25 miles, you might not touch gas for weeks. Pricing starts at $62,285 for the base limited. The loaded Summit Reserve hits $80,945. That's serious money, but you're getting serious capability. Most plug-in hybrids choose efficiency over performance, or performance over capability. The Grand Cherokee 4xe said, "Why not all three?" And next time, we're looking at something even more unexpected. An electric truck that costs luxury sedan money, but somehow makes perfect sense. You won't believe what it can tow. Drop a comment if this hybrid Jeep changed your mind about plug-in hybrids. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.